Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Wi-Fi not working, no internet, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to system. Tap here. Go to reset options. Tap here. Tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap here. You can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset only the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset settings button. Again tap on reset settings. Done. See the message, network settings have been reset. After this reset operation you can go back and check Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi should work. So this way we can fix all Wi-Fi related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.